So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have an urn which contains total of 9 balls, out of which 3 are red, 4 are blue and 2 are green. And 3 balls are drawn from this without replacement. What's the probability that all the 3 balls have different colors? So we call this event as E. The probability of this event is. So first I'll find the denominator. So you're effectively drawing 3 balls out of 9 balls. How many ways can it be done? 9C3 ways, right? Without replacement. So I can select 3 balls in 9C3 ways. Now, if I want the favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes, I need each ball of a single color. 1 ball each of 1 color. That means I need 1 red ball, 1 blue ball, 1 green ball. In how many ways can it be done? So 1 red ball can be selected in 3C1 and 1 blue ball can be selected in 4C1 and 2C1. So this will be the probability of event E. That is equal to 3 into 4 into 2 by 9C3 is 9 into 8 into 7 by 6. So 3 3s are 3 2s are 4 2s are 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So the probability is 2 by 7. Thank you.